I'm going to start with the sun today, which is becoming more active than it already was, which was very active. So these are the sunspots that are turning into position, Earth directed. Constant flaring going on. This is just a side note. I also wanted to show you what's going on in Florida. Massive beaming, massive Doppler, NEXRAD, ionospheric heating of the atmosphere. And we also see, I can point this out to you, Tesla domes right here. So what is this massive Doppler beaming going on here? What is this doing? Well, we'll have to go to the jet stream map. Here's the area that they're beaming, and look at the airflow. We also want to look back over here on the west coast, where our easterly directed wind flow is now going to hit the western directed wind flow. And this is going to cause severe thunderstorms over California, and I can show you why. If we look at the Sacramento Valley, we look at the mountain ranges around the Sacramento Valley, we can see that they're reflecting EMF, that the Doppler systems are charged up so much that the EMF is reflecting off the mountainsides and the hillsides. It actually outlines the entire mountain range around the Sacramento Valley. So we got Nevada Doppler pushing north, Montana Doppler pushing in all directions. And that's why you see this big gap up here in the jet stream. This causes a separation. So what they're doing is we have the eastern airflow, which is going to meet up with the western airflow, which would cause thunderstorms naturally. And then we have all the EMF building up here in the Sacramento Valley. So Sacramento Valley is going to have extreme thunder activity this weekend. Now we also want to look at chemtrails. And so here comes the storm. As I always say, they lead the storm with chemtrails. The storm's coming in. We have a square wave pattern, which is phased array. And then all the blue streaks, of course, are chemtrails, and they're just now touching the coastline this morning. So today I'll be outside. We'll see. I expect massive chemtrailing today. I expect no rain tomorrow because of the chemtrailing. And I expect Friday into Saturday massive thunderstorms, lightning, and storming conditions. I don't expect a lot of rain, but I do expect a large electrical activity on the west coast. Now I followed the square wave pattern. If we can go back, this has been coming in, forming this square pattern for the last couple of days. One thing I don't see on this map, and I haven't brought up, and I don't see it, the blue streaks are atmospheric trails, and if you see white streaks, that's from ships and boats. So there's none of that activity happening today. We don't see any chemtrails over Mexico as we have been. But we have chemtrailing in the jet stream continuing from yesterday and the day before. It's kind of dying out over Washington, but now we got this new set of chemtrails coming in from the south. This is going to this is going to get pretty bad today, I would imagine. We got a lot of chemtrailing over northern Oregon, massive chemtrailing over northern Oregon. And so this is just south of the jet stream. And we have the Nevada Doppler heating these chemtrails. We have the Montana Doppler heating these chemtrails, keeping this jet stream north, pulling warm air from the south, which is going to hit this eastern flow. And it's all going to come together right over my head. So I'll be on the lookout today. These chemtrailing planes just pass each other, but they're too far away to film. And then we got non-stop trailing today. They're just too far away. But those two are headed right towards each other. Too much chemtrail haze to film the planes now. There's your Chem dog. So it's noon. We've had 20-30 jets. I'm wondering if, does this look like a storm system moving in? It's nothing but trails. Storm system will be here in a day or two. It is non-stop today, which I expected, because I saw it coming in on the weather map. We're about 12:30. So 5 jets in the last half an hour. All leaving trails. Not one jet has not been leaving trails that I've seen. So at 1 o'clock we have total whiteout. Still jets in the sky, you can hear them but you can't see them. A full halo sundog. That was quick. So it was clear this morning. I should have took a picture of that. Not anymore. Got total whiteout. And the haze is coming in. You can see the haze. It's 1:30 and you can barely see that trail. That's all you can see. You can still hear them. 6 o'clock at night, still going on.